Brian Show.
Welcome to the Big Brian Show.
Nice. Hey, what's up, guys? Check it out. Christmas done come early. Christmas done come in August. I got me a new Keurig. There's my old one. Yeah, the old one went kaput on me, stopped working. That's why I had to get a new one. I gotta have my coffee. And you know what's funny, right? I had another Keurig and I gave it to a friend of mine, and I said, yeah, you can have it, because I got one. And so she can put it in her camper. And a week later, this one went. So out with the old and with the new. So let's hook it up and see if it works. Okay, guys. Here's the new one. And the new one has the water reservoir on the side. And where the old one, as you can see, that reservoir was in the back. Also, and it's hard to tell which one held the most water, because this one's tall and that one's wide. Maybe about the same. I don't know. And I don't care. You know, it's amazing how many different models of Keurig coffee makers there are. Because the other one I had didn't look like neither one of these either. And if you look at my old video, that one was different. So, man, so many different models. Okay. Alright, so that one goes on the side. Let me turn it around. Okay, there you go, guys. 3 cup sizes. Means coffee cup. 36-ounce reservoir. And it's space saving. Yes, it's thinner than the other one. Yes, sir. Got my Dunkin' Donuts in there. Love Dunkin'. Oops. Hope I didn't break anything. By the way, guys, I am selling these coffee cups. If you want one, just click on the product icon and get you one of these. Coffee, tea, or me. Or the Big Brian Show. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's my saying. All right, so let's see if this thing works. Okay, give me a second here. And I don't know if it's showing up on the camera, but it got 10 ounce, 8 ounce, 6 ounce. I think a coffee cup is 8 ounces. So let's try the 8 ounces. And while it's making the coffee, I'm gonna have to keep up with my tradition and play you a little song. Go little Keurig, go, go, go. Go little Keurig, go. Go little Keurig, go, go, go. Go little Keurig, go. This is real time, guys. Go little Keurig, go, go, go. Okay, guys, all done. And the 8 ounce, as you can see, stopped there. So I probably should have, next time I'll do the 10 ounce. All right. But anyway, let me hook my coffee up. I got to put some cream and some sugar in there. And some sugar. Remember Airplane? I like my coffee like I like my women. Oh, man. Oh, Ashley said I like my coffee like I like my men. But I'm saying I like my coffee like I like my women. Sweet. Okay. Time for the taste test. Yes, sir. All right, guys. So, here's my new Keurig. And guys, have a great day. Next time I do the 10 ounce for the coffee. Peace.